friends, welcome back to Login Helps. Today's help video is going to be about how to log into your Garena account. Before proceeding any further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we post another video. Moving on to our video, to log into your Garena account, start with going to Google Chrome on your device or use any other browser as well. Search for Garena Sign In. Now tap on Login Garena Account Center on the very first. Soon after you've done it, after you end up in the login page, enter your username, email ID or your phone number. Choose any one of them. Type in your password. Always make sure you've entered the correct one and tap Login Now. That is all you need to do in order to log into your Garena account, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video helped you at all, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll see you soon again with another Login Helps videos.